Eating spinach offers a multitude of health benefits, including improved eye health, reduced oxidative stress, cancer prevention, and lower blood sugar levels. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that originated in Persia and is part of the amaranth family, closely related to beets and quinoa. It's renowned for being exceptionally healthy due to its rich nutrient and antioxidant content. Spinach is versatile in its preparation. It can be consumed fresh or canned and enjoyed cooked or raw. Its mild flavor makes it a great addition to a variety of dishes, or it can be savored on its own. Whether you're blending it into smoothies, tossing it in salads, or adding it to hot dishes, the spinach is an easy way to boost the nutritional value of your meals. And here are the 7 powerful health benefits of spinach. High in fiber. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, and here are the nutrition facts for 3.5 ounces or 100 grams of raw spinach. 23 calories, 91% water, 2.9 grams of protein, 3.6 grams of carbs, 0.4 grams of sugar, 2.2 grams of fiber, and 0.4 grams of fat. Most of the carbohydrates in spinach are from fiber, which is highly beneficial for health. It also contains a small amount of sugar, primarily glucose and fructose. Spinach is particularly rich in insoluble fiber, which contributes to digestive health by adding bulk to stool, helping prevent constipation, and promoting regular bowel movements. This insoluble fiber content makes spinach an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy digestive system. High in vitamins and minerals. Spinach is rich in a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. High in carotenoids, spinach can be converted by your body into vitamin A, which is crucial for vision and immune health. A potent antioxidant, vitamin C aids in skin health and immune function. Essential for blood clotting, a single spinach leaf provides more than half of your daily requirement. Critical for pregnant women, folic acid supports normal cellular function and tissue growth. Spinach is an excellent source of iron, a mineral that is vital for the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen to the body's tissues. Important for bone health, calcium also plays a role in nerve, heart, and muscle function. In addition to these, spinach is also a good source of potassium, magnesium, and vitamins B6, B9, and E, making it a comprehensive addition to a nutritious diet. Rich in plant compounds. Spinach is not just a nutritional powerhouse, but also contains several important plant compounds that offer various health benefits. Known for its role in improving eye health, lutein helps protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Camphorol may help reduce the risk of cancer and chronic diseases by neutralizing harmful free radicals. High levels of nitrates in spinach can support heart health by improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. A potent antioxidant, quercetin may help fend off infections and reduce inflammation. Spinach is one of the richest dietary sources of this compound. Similar to lutein, zeaxanthin supports eye health and helps protect against macular degeneration and other vision issues. These compounds contribute to spinach's impressive health benefits and make it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Now, let's get back to the video. Helps alleviate oxidative stress. Free radicals are natural byproducts of metabolism that can lead to oxidative stress, a condition that accelerates aging and increases the risk of cancer and diabetes. Spinach is rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and mitigate the damage caused by free radicals. A small study involving 8 healthy individuals found that spinach helped prevent oxidative damage. This study's findings are supported by additional research in both animals and humans, highlighting spinach's role in reducing oxidative stress and its potential health benefits. helps maintain eye health. Spinach is abundant in zeaxanthin and lutein, carotenoids that give certain vegetables their color. These pigments are also found in high concentrations in human eye, where they help protect against damage from sunlight. Research suggests that zeaxanthin and lutein can play a significant role in preventing macular degeneration and cataracts, which are leading causes of blindness. Moreover, these compounds may have the potential to reverse some existing damage to the eyes, making them important for maintaining and improving eye health. Aids in cancer prevention. Spinach contains compounds such as MGDG, or monogalactosyl diacylglycerol, or SQDG, or sulfoquinovosyl diacylglycerol, that may help inhibit cancer growth. Research has shown that these compounds can slow tumor growth and reduce tumor size in cases like cervical cancer. Several human studies have found that consuming spinach may lower the risk of prostate cancer and potentially help prevent breast cancer. An animal study further suggests that spinach might suppress cancer formation. Additionally, spinach's high antioxidant content adds another layer of protection against cancer by combating oxidative stress and neutralizing harmful free radicals. Helps in blood pressure. Spinach is rich in nitrates, which have been demonstrated to help regulate blood pressure and lower the risk of heart disease. In a study involving 27 participants, consuming spinach was found to effectively reduce blood pressure levels. This finding is supported by several other studies, which collectively suggest that spinach can positively impact heart health and contribute to cardiovascular well-being. Spinach is a remarkable leafy green that offers a multitude of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Its high fiber content supports digestive health, while its rich array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, K1, folic acid, iron, and calcium, contributes to overall well-being. The plant compounds found in spinach, such as lutein, zeaxanthin, kaempferol, and quercetin, not only enhance eye health and combat oxidative stress, but also offers potential cancer-fighting properties. Spinach's ability to help regulate blood pressure and improve heart health further underscores its role in a heart-healthy diet. Incorporating spinach into your meals, whether fresh, cooked, or blended into smoothies, can help you harness its impressive range of benefits. From protecting against age-related eye conditions to supporting cardiovascular health and potentially aiding in cancer prevention, spinach is indeed a powerhouse of nutrition and health support. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.